This website pays you using Payoneer and it accepts people from all over the world. As you can see, this guy Khalifa is from Nigeria and he earns $20 an hour. And if you're employing him, you have to start with $50. This particular lady, Marvelous Chukwemeka from Nigeria, and she earns $30 an hour, and she's a starting rate is $250, and she has been on this website for over a year. This particular guy for over 2 years. This one as well from Nigeria for over 2 years. This one.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. And if you're a new subscriber, please do what subscribe to our channel. So, guys, as you all know, I love using my phone to show you guys how to make money online based on the fact that a mobile phone is what we go around with. Most of us look for how to make money online using our phone rather than our system. So that is why I love using my phone to show you. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys two websites that will pay you using Payoneer. These two websites will pay you using Payoneer. The first one will pay you whether or not you have a skill. Whether you have a skill or you don't have a skill, you can sign up on the first website and it will pay you. While the second website will pay you if you have a skill. Well, if you know that you can probably learn, you can as well sign up on the second website because the second website pays more. So guys, I would like you to stick with me to the end of this video because the second website pay you more, and I'll be telling you where you can learn a skill that you can use on the second website even if you don't have a skill. So let's just head straight into my Chrome browser. So guys, this is my Chrome browser. I'll head straight into my Chrome browser. I have it open here already. The website name is Micro Workers. A lot of you must have heard about Micro Workers. It's spelled as MicroWorkers, microworkers.com. So it will be the first link on the screen. So you just click on the first website. Now this is how their website looks like. Their website, but this is how it looks like. It is their website, but it's coming with a sign up button. It says micro workers work and earn or offer a micro job. So basically on this website you can do micro jobs as easy as as easy as solving the net, opening an account, following someone, all those kind of micro jobs, those little tasks that you do and then you get paid. So all you have to do on this website is to sign up as a worker on their website and perform their tasks. Well, you can do this task anytime from anywhere you want it. In fact, you can choose to dedicate 2 hours of your time in a day, or whether it's in the morning, in the afternoon, or at midnight, to do the tax on this website, and it will pay you. Well, the payout isn't as much as that, but the fact still remains that you get paid on this website. So guys, also on this website you get paid your first dollars. Once you sign up, you earn your first $1 on their website. Also on this website you get to decide if you want to do a particular job or not, because you get to see how many people have done that particular job and how it looks like, so you can decide if you like it or if you don't like it. Although this website, their payout isn't much. Don't get it wrong, their payout isn't much, but then again, you do a few things like maybe watch a YouTube video, like a YouTube video, follow, you know, subscribe to a YouTube channel, all those little stuff you do for free. So on this website you just do them and you get paid. The pay might not be much, but it is still worth it, and at the end of the day it will accumulate. So one thing though is the fact that on this website, your before you can withdraw your earnings, it has to accumulate to $10. You understand? Before you can withdraw your earnings, it has to accumulate to $10. So you need at least $10 on this website before you can withdraw your earnings. So guys, that will be all for this particular website. All you just need to do is to sign up on the website by clicking on this register for free here. You click on it. Although the register might take you a few minutes to register, but then again you can register. So you create your new account, you input your first name, you input your middle name. For security reasons, I am not going to be doing this, and so as not to make this video too long, I won't be doing this. I'll just be explaining it so that you get a knowledge of what to just expect. So your first name, your middle name, your last name, your gender, your company. Well, it's optional. That's if you have a company. If you don't have a company, just leave it. Your birth date, your email, your password, your mailing address, zip code. Zip code, you can just go on Chrome browser and type in the zip code of your country. Then you input it. Then the city and region, or the zip code of your country or state, then you input it. Then you have a city, you have state or region. Then you're able to select your country here, and then you're able to select if you want them to send you their newsletter. Well, I don't think it's even optional, so you just tick all the boxes here. I click on the submit, then you submit it. So that's all. So guys, please, if you have any question, come to this the FAQ section. There's an FAQ section down the screen here. Come to the FAQ section and click on the FAQ section. You'll find a lot of questions that you need. And then it is important to know that this company has been in operation since 2009. So as you can see, since 2009 to 2023, the company has been running and it is still working. So you can just come here to the FAQ section here like this, and then frequently asked questions. You can check their frequently asked questions and their responses. So the next thing is I'll just be going to the next website. This next website actually pays you using Pioneer, and it pays Nigerians as well. The new browser, so I'll just click it here and type in guru.com. Guru.com will allow it to load. Guru.com is spelled as GURU.com. So all you just need here is to allow it to load. It's loading. Now, Guru.com is a freelancing website. You understand? It's a freelancing website. Well, I did this, but I actually looked for this website because some people are asking me that we can't get websites that we see Nigerians working there. I should just do a video of website that Nigerians are working. So it says find and hire expert freelancers. Now, I told you, I love telling people that the best way to earn money online is to offer a service. You understand? So if you're a freelancer, you can probably earn money online by offering your services. Now, if you don't have any skill, I do say it. Just go on Canva. Go on Canva, play around all their templates here and there. Try to develop yourself, try to help yourself improve on graphic design. You understand? Most of those people doing graphic designs, some of them don't even learn it, but they are able to build their self using one website or one app or the other. So Canva as an app, and at the same time it has, I think, a desktop version or something like that, and it has a free version or a paid version. You can do a lot of things on the free version. So guys, let me just type in graphic design here to show you guys that it accepts people from Nigeria. Graphic design Nigeria. So you search for graphic design Nigeria. As you can see, it has 1116 results. So if 1116 Nigerians are earning on this platform, what then are you waiting for? What then are you waiting for? This particular guy earns $20 an hour. And even if you want to employ him, you have to start with $50. That is a starting price. You understand? This particular lady earns $30 an hour. Marvelous. Chukweme, Igbo girl, and her starting price is $250. So guys, if you also want to create probably, you understand, a profile on this website, you can just come here and read whatever thing you want to create about, or whatever niche you want to create about. Like this particular lady, she said, I am a computer literate and a graphic designer. With the help of my skills, I have done so many jobs over the years. This is my sixth year as a graphic designer. I can design logos of different types. So even on Canva, you can design logo, you can do background design, you can design a whole lot of things on Canva. So as you can see, Agbaje Abdul Quadrus, $15, a graphic designer. Kola Wole, just this guy, Tinko Group, is from Ukraine. This particular one from India. This one from Kenya. Ken Kings from Kenya, and he does a whole lot of things. Got good dogs, all those things. This one is from India. This one Pakistan, Indonesia, Philippines, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So there are a lot of countries on this website. So do well and sign up if you're free, because it accepts workers from all over the world. You understand? So you can create your own skill yourself. You can learn how to design on graphics, can learn how to do logo or anything on graphics on Canva. And you can come here and play around their website. You understand? So is either you're looking for a freelancer or you're posting something. You understand? They have paid $250 million. Inside that $250 million, they didn't just even give you $50 million. You will know how far. So even if it's $1 million they give you as a worker on this website, you know what it will do for you. So guys, like I said, you can sign up and get paid, and it has 99% customer satisfaction. You understand? So guys, so as not to make this video too long, you can come here and find your any niche that you want to sign up for: programming, development, writing, and secretarial job. Probably if you don't have a skill and you don't want to learn on Canva, you can sign up on this website and work here as administrative or secretary. You understand? Because there are a lot of people working remotely as secretaries to company or administrative workers to company. Here it says engineering and architecture, business and finance, education and training, legal. It has a whole lot of skills. So do well to come here and sign up. So what you're going to do is to come to these three dots. You click on it and you scroll down and you click on the sign up button. You sign up. And once you sign up, you're able to just play around the website and create your job. You understand? Play around the website and create your job. But before you create job, search for that particular niche that you're looking for and just get acquainted with how people on the website created their job advertisement or